In the last video, in exercise 5.1 up to 22 questions we finished. Now question number 23. Question number 23. Find all the points of discontinuity of f where f of x is equals to sin x by x if x is less than 0, x plus 1 if x is greater than or equal to 0. What we need to find here? Find the discontinuity points. We need to find here. So at which point this function is discontinuous, we need to find here. You see here at x is equals to x is less than 0, x greater than 0 and x equal to 0, this function is defined. So first of all we are checking the discontinuity at x is equals to 0. Now f of x is equals to what? At x is equals to 0, this function is x plus 1. So f of 0 is equals to 0 plus 1, 1. Now you find left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 minus half f of x. That is the limit x tends to 0 minus means x is less than 0. When x less than 0, this is equals function f of x is equals to sin x by x. So we have the standard formula limit from first PUC. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equals to 1. Right? From the standard form of limits. Now we are finding the right hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 plus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means x is greater than 0, then f of x is equals to x plus 1. That is 0 plus 1. You substitute x is equals to 0. What we are getting? 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equals to what? 1. You see function f of 0 value 1. Left hand limit value 1, right hand limit value 1. That means f is continuous at x is equals to 0, right? F is continuous. F is continuous at x is equals to 0 and at the remaining points also it is continuous. So remaining points means all the points, all the real values. So f is continuous at x belongs to capital R. That means there is no points of discontinuity. There is no points of discontinuity is the answer. What are the discontinuity points? There is no points. So for every point it is continuous only. Understood? So now coming to 24th question. Now question number 24, you see, determine if f is defined by f of x is equals to x square sine of 1 by x. If x is equal to x is not equals to 0. 0 if x is equals to 0. So is continuous function. It is a continuous function or not, they are asking. You see now, you find f of 0 value at x is equals to 0. This function is 0 only. So f of 0 is 0 only. Here x is less than 0, greater than 0, not yet decided. So how we are finding this one? X square into sine of 1 by x. But you see, if by substituting x is equals to 0, what we are getting? 0 square into sine of 1 by 0, sine infinite does not exist. So that how we are solving this one? So sine function value, maximum value is 1, minimum value is minus 1. The range of the sine angle, sine any of the angle, sine theta, is minus 1 to plus 1 we know from the trigonometry. So this function I am multiplying with this one, this inequality I am multiplying with x square. So what we are getting? X square into minus 1 minus x square less than or equal to x square into sine of 1 by x is less than or equals to 1 into x square. Now you apply the limit now. Limit x is tends to 0 of minus x square less than or equals to limit x is tends to 0 x square into sine of 1 by x is less than or equals to limit x is tends to 0 x square. So while I am using this one, if you substitute directly limit x is equals to 0, what you are getting 0 square 0 into sine of 1 by 0, 1 by 0 infinite not defined, so that I taken left and right limits, maximum and minimum values of sine function I taken, and I try to form this function. That means how we are forming this one? By multiplying x square, so that every term I multiply with x square. Next I applied the limit for all the terms. So then you substitute now x is equal to 0, minus 0 square is equal to 0 only. So 0 is less than or equals to limit x tends to 0 x square into sine of 1 by x less than or equal to 0. That means this value lies between 0 to 0 means what? 0 only. So that therefore limit x tends to 0 x square into sine of 1 by x is equal to 0. That implies limit x tends to 0 x square into sine of 1 by x is equals to 0 is equals to what we will write? F of 0, no? So f of 0 I have written here, f of 0. That means this function is continuous function. So this is equals to limit x tends to 0 of the x square into sine of 1 by x is f of x. This is equals to f of 0. By the definition of continuity, x square into sine of 1 by x what? F of x only, no? So f of x. F of that is equals to what? 0 equals to 0 is equals to what I written? F of 0. By the definition of continuity, f is continuous at which point? At x is equal to 0. This function is defined at x is equals to 0, x is equals not equal to 0. But those points, this is continuous. That means it is continuous at all the points. That means f is continuous at all x belongs to capital R. At x belongs to capital R, f of x is continuous function. Understood? So like this we are solving this question. Next 25th question. Examine the continuity of f where f is defined by f of x is equals to sin x minus cos x if x is not equal to 0, minus 1 if x is equals to 0. This is our question. So we need to check the continuity of this function. So this function is defined at x is equal to 0, at x is not equal to 0. This is not defined x less than 0, right, greater than 0. So that it is no need to find the left hand limit and right hand limit. Function value you find it, and limit of the function at x is equal to 0 you find it. If both are equal, it is continuous, otherwise it is the discontinuous, right? First, at x is equal to 0, the function f of x is equals to what? Minus 1. So f of 0 is equals to minus 1. F of x 0 equals to minus 1. So f of 0 is equals to minus 1. Now you find limit x tends to 0 of f of x. This is equals to limit x tends to 0 of f of x. What is the f of x function? Sin x minus cos x when x is not equal to 0. X tends to 0 means x is approximately equals to 0. It's not equal to 0. So x is not equal to 0. F of x is equals to what? Sin x minus cos x. So now you substitute x is equal to 0. Sin 0 minus cos 0. Sin 0 value 0, cos 0 value minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is equals to minus 1. Minus, therefore, limit x tends to 0, f of x is equals to minus 1 is equals to, we can write as f of 0. F of 0. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equals to 0. At x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, they define. So, at all for all x belongs to R, it is a continuous function. This is the answer.